By the time you are watching this video, it will be Friday, and I'm here to make your weekend a memorable one. Just with few ingredients, you can make this delicious recipe. Hello everyone. Welcome back to another interesting one, so let's begin. We'll start by preparing the wet ingredients. In a bowl, I added 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of sugar and water. You can substitute the water with milk. Mix to combine very well and set it aside. In another bowl, we prepare the dry ingredients. Start by sifting all-purpose flour in a bowl. Always sift the flour before making use of it. Alright, to that, I move in with salt, baking powder, milk flavor, and vanilla flavor. Feel free to use any flavor of your choice. Alright, mix to combine very well. It is time to move in with butter. You can either use butter or margarine. Once I add the butter, I move in with my fingers and start mixing till I form a sandy texture. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, after mixing, I move in with the wet ingredients. Start mixing till you form a dough. You don't need to be too hard on the dough. Once the dough comes together, stop mixing. You will have a sticky dough just like this one, alright? A stretchy one at that, as you can see. Alright, we are going to cover the dough and allow to rest for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, voila! We'll move to the next step, alright? Now, there are 2 ways that you can mold. First, you can rub some oil on your palm. Then go ahead and take the dough, any size that you prefer. Mold with your 2 palms, just like this. And that is it. Very simple and easy. That is, if you don't have work surface, you can mold this way, alright? Very simple and easy. Set it aside. If you have a work surface, you can just go ahead and cut the dough into pieces, any size that you prefer, all right? After cutting, just the same way we did to the first one, okay? But this time, we'll be rolling on the work surface. I dust the work surface with some flour, place one of the dough. I'm going to kind of feed it in a little bit. After feeding it in, go ahead and roll. Very simple and easy. You can see that we have the same shape with the first one, all right? Go ahead and repeat the same process with the other ones. A beautiful shout out to you, Afisat, watching from Nigeria, Zahara from Sri Lanka, Rejoice from Cameroon, Claudia watching from Jamaica, and Splashy B all the way from Nigeria. Whoops. Aww. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay? Alright, after molding, this is what I have. Look at those elegant beauties. Mamma mia. They are looking so cute. Now, if you choose to bake, I will advise you add more butter so that after baking, it will not look too dry. Alright, I am going to fry in a deep hot moderate oil. Throw these elegant beauties inside the oil. Oh my word. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means that you're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Hype this video for me, okay? I appreciate. Now, after throwing the elegant ladies into the hot oil, allow to cook for about 3 minutes. Go ahead and flip the other side to cook as well. Flip them around from time to time. Once they are golden brown like so, they are ready. Take the gas out of the hot oil. And that is basically all for this beauty. Very simple and easy. Anyone, Anyone can prepare this recipe. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. I love it. It turned out so well. It was delish. This can serve as a food or a snack. It can be paired with tea, coffee, warm milk, or any beverage of your choice. I open it and this is what the inside looks like. This can also be used for commercial purposes. Do have a lovely weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye.